How to format SD card on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can format SD card on your Android device. Well, formatting an SD card is pretty simple and basic step. Once you have SD card here, if you have newly inserted it, at this notification bar, you'll get the option there, SD card inserted. You can tap on it and you'll get the option to format that. However, if not the case, you can simply head into My Files, and under My Files here you'll get internal storage, you'll get here, and you can see SD card option. In my case, it's not here, but if you have it here, what you'll have to do is enter into the SD card, tap on three dots there, and you'll get the option to format. If not, from this folder you can simply go ahead and long press on it like I'll do here, right? Open it up, tap on three dots, then you can tap on select, you can select all, and then you can delete all. You can do this similarly for your SD card folder. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.